soaked through and shivering.
Yes, Sue! I'm soaked through and through. I have a fever. I can feel the end is near. Can I have some hot tea with some raspberry jam?
Poor Sammy.
Oh, I feel awful.
Here, my dear Sammy, your tea with raspberry jam and a sandwich. Just please get well.
Oh, no! There's the cheese.
I've put it away.
Hail the great Thibodeau! Sue, you know that I can't stand the smell of cheese. I faint at the sight of it.
I know, Sam, but the illness was gone in an instant. You didn't need any treatments or pills or even raspberry jam. Cheese is your cure, Sam.
What a rain! Shiver me cheddars! I was nearly washed off into the drain. But it was cool. Luckily, I was given a ride.
What were you doing under the rain, Sam? And who gave you a ride?
Not telling! Guys, do you also know what I was doing under the pouring rain?
Oh, come on, Sam, tell us.
Watch this episode to the end and I'll reveal the secret.
All right, deal.
Give a thumbs up if you want me to reveal my secret and subscribe to the channel. You'll get a super bonus from Super Sam at the end of the video.
Sam, why didn't you take an umbrella? I warned you about the rain and you didn't listen to me, as usual.
It's too late to tell me about rain, Sue. I hate rainy weather. Shiver me cheddars.
But Sammy, what about the saying, we'll weather the weather, whatever the weather, whether we like it or not?
Yeah, I can weather any weather, but not rain.
Rain can be different, and if you don't believe me again, I'm ready to prove it to you.
How are you gonna prove it?
We'll create bright and colorful rain.
Wow, Sue, going against the laws of nature. Let's hope it doesn't backfire.
Laugh all you want, Sam. I'll prove it to you in a unique way.
Prove all you want. I'll offer you moral support. Guys, have you ever got caught under the pouring rain? Or any other natural hazards? And, how did you manage to get out? Write in the comments. I'm curious to know how you deal with harsh weather conditions. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Sam, but what interesting thing were you doing so the rain wasn't a bother to you?
I'll tell about it only at the end of the video.
Well, fine. Let's start turning the tide. I'll get everything ready for our experiment. And you, Sam, should dry yourself with a towel.
Right. I've made a puddle here.
Whoa, Sam! What's going on?
I didn't find a towel and decided to dry myself on our cat, Fluffy. He has to be useful at least in some way, not only drink milk and sleep. Wow! Guys, you're so creative! Not so long ago, I asked you to help me with ideas for new videos and you suggested so many things!
Let's show all these wonderful ideas.
But haven't you forgotten that we have a very important thing to do right now?
I haven't. Let's show the ideas of our viewers at the end of the video.
Yes! Best ideas from our viewers at the end of this video.
Okay, first, we'll need an A4 white canvas.
It feels so good to be dry and warm and to watch Sue trying to defy the laws of nature with a canvas.
Don't get too excited, Sam. Not until you see it all. Next, I'll need wax crayons of different colors.
Aha! I know. We are going to draw the rain.
Not quite. We are not going to draw.
Ooh, intriguing. By the way, Sue, when I was traveling in the Tibidabo Mountains, I was caught under a pouring rain.
Then what?
There was thunder! Sharp lightnings all over the sky! The rain was pouring down, washing everything away!
What happened next, Sam?
I grabbed a twig of a fig tree and prayed to the great Tibidodo! The keeper of the mountains heard me and sent raindrops upwards into the sky, and the sun came out!
You've got quite an imagination.
Don't believe me? I'll prove it.
Great Tibidodo, rain upwards, a fig twig.
Here, look.
Ooh, so pretty. We'll need to glue the crayons to the canvas with a glue gun.
Guys, be very careful working with the glue gun. Last time, I was lying on the table dreaming, and suddenly I could smell a pleasant gummy scent. I nearly choked on my own saliva. I started wondering where this delicious smell was coming from. It turned out I forgot to turn the glue gun off, and my heels started to melt. After that, I always wear shoes.
Well done! For the next step, we'll need a printed image of a person under the rain. Here, we have a girl. And to tell you the truth, it's me.
Wow, what a beauty.
Stop, Sam! You're making me blush.
Sue, I'll be right back.
I'll carefully cut the picture out. Sam, are you going to play? Who's going to help me?
Sue, I just read an interesting fact about rain on the internet. The darts game happened thanks to the rain. During a contest, archers were caught under the rain. They left the field, went to a bar, and started throwing shortened arrows onto a target.
Well done, Sam. That's an interesting fact indeed.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, we need to glue the picture at the bottom of the canvas. Then, I'll use masking tape to cover the picture. And cut the edges of the tape with a stationary knife.
Sure. While you're doing all that, I want to ask you a question. Check your general knowledge.
Shoot!
Tell me, Sue, which country gets the greatest amount of rainfall?
It's hard to say.
Guys, do you know? Write your answers in the comments. I'll tell you the answers towards the end.
Using this blow dryer, we'll need to heat the crayons until the wax starts to melt. It's important to let the wax drip to the bottom edge of the canvas, and then let it harden again.
Oh, just like we melted broken crayons! I can see that our craft is almost done, and so it's time to announce the second rain fact. So, the country that gets the greatest amount of rainfall is Uganda! They get rain 250 days a year! Well done, everyone who got the correct answer.
An interesting fact, Sam. I had no idea.
Write interesting facts about rain in the comments!
The wax is hardened, and now we only need to remove the tape from the picture. And voila! Our masterpiece with bright, colorful rain is ready! Give it a try, guys. Write about it under the video. And now it's time for your comments.
Are you ready to see them? Great ideas from our viewers. Perhaps you'll see yours in there too.
Let's not keep our viewers waiting any longer. Let's go!
Wow, this is cool!
Shall we try it?
Why not? It sounds interesting.
Looks like some viewers think you need to get a new friend.
Why not? The more the merrier.
I agree.
And we need more slimes!
All right. We'll try them.
I'm one of a kind, of course, but slimes are unique as they are. I've had the same idea.
I'm not surprised. I'll think about it.
Think well.
So many different ideas.
Don't forget to write them down!
I won't. There won't be an idea crisis anymore.
Yeah! Guys, thank you so much! We'll try to bring some of your ideas to life.
Stay creative, guys. Bye-bye.
I didn't forget about you guys. It's time to reveal the secret. Who saved me from the rain? Attention to the screen. Subscribe to our channel, guys, and give us some thumbs up. It'll get even more interesting. Bye, guys! Shiver me chitters!